MotoTrbo Conventional is a single-site system designed for business needs. Radio users enjoy point-to-point communication. This direct connection can only cover a certain distance. Buildings and natural barriers such as hills and terrains will affect radio coverage. MotoTrbo repeater can overcome these barriers. The repeater is capable of transmitting the signal over a longer distance. MotoTrbo uses the TDMA technology to divide a frequency into 2 time slots. One call will use 1 time slot. This enables 2 simultaneous calls with 1 repeater and doubles the capacity of users on the system. MotoTrbo Conventional caters for users in forestry, security, manufacturing, and education. The conventional system is ideal for enterprises with less demanding traffic. It can support up to 200 users with a single repeater. MotoTrbo repeater powers up communication by transmitting radio signal over a longer distance. MotoTrbo Conventional system provides simple and reliable communication to the enterprise. MotoTrbo IP Site Connect uses the power of Internet to connect radio users across dispersed locations. It can connect up to 15 single sites to form a wide area network. Radio users can roam freely from one site to another in an extended coverage area. This system enables radios of different bands such as UHF, VHF, and 800 MHz to communicate seamlessly. High-rise buildings may pose a problem for radio signal. For example, the multi-story basement and concrete beams in a building may prevent radio signal transmission. MotoTrbo IP Site Connect unifies radio users across buildings and boundaries, overcoming physical barriers to enhance better transmission and keep your workforce connected. This system meets the communication needs of manufacturing, oil and gas, utilities, and transportation by making it easier to disperse workforce to stay in touch. MotoTrbo IP Site Connect operates in a conventional mode and caters for low-traffic communication. The system supports single or multiple sites and extends coverage over 15 sites. You can overcome barriers to stay connected, supporting 200 users per site. MotoTrbo IP Site Connect system extends radio coverage over the IP network to connect workforce anywhere they go. MotoTrbo Capacity Plus is a single-site dynamic trunking system with the capability to support more than 200 users. The system is scalable from 1 repeater to a maximum of 8 repeaters. With each repeater supporting 200 users, you can connect up to 1600 users cost-effectively. Unique to MotoTrbo, the rest channel technology allocates channel efficiently. A rest channel can be assigned to any time slot in the system. Let's assume that time slot 1 is the current rest channel. When radio 1 keys up, it takes up the rest channel time slot 1. In response, the system assigns a new rest channel time slot 2. When radio 3 keys up, it takes up rest channel time slot 2, and the system assigns a new rest channel time slot 3. Rest channel technology maximizes channel efficiency. Take a look at an airport operation. Suppose you have a workforce of 600 users on a 3-repeater system, and your operation needs to grow up to 1200 or more users. Adding more repeaters to your existing system is all it takes. Enjoy the power of scalability to increase capacity. This system meets the communication needs of manufacturing, airport and seaport, mining and hospitality for a growing workforce. MotoTrbo Capacity Plus uses the rest channel technology to allocate channel efficiently. The system is ideal for medium traffic communication and supports up to 1600 users. MotoTrbo Capacity Plus system expands the radio network for a growing business. MotoTrbo Linked Capacity Plus is a multi-site dynamic trunking system for connecting large groups of radio users across a wide area. Through an IP network, you can connect up to 15 locations. By linking up to 8 repeaters per site, 1600 users in each site can freely communicate across different locations. Suppose your current business operates in 3 separate locations, and each location has 200 users. If your business grows to 6 locations with over 1,000 users at each location, your current radio system may not be able to provide the capacity and reach. By using MotoTrbo linked Capacity Plus, you can expand capacity with 8 repeaters per site and reach up to 15 locations with the IP network. This system meets the communication needs of government agencies, interstate transportation, oil and gas, and integrated resorts to connect large dispersed workforce. Linked Capacity Plus system highlights. Ideal for medium traffic communication. Dynamic trunking technology minimizes additional infrastructure equipment for greater cost savings. Scalable by adding repeaters to increase hundreds of users per site. Extends coverage over 15 sites. MotoTrbo linked Capacity Plus system expands capacity and extends coverage with dynamic trunking. MotoTrbo Connect Plus is a multi-site controller-based trunking solution for connecting large numbers of users across 70 dispersed locations. Supporting a total of 15 repeaters per site with a dedicated XRC controller. XRC is the brain of the system, uniquely designed and engineered to control all functionalities of the entire system. MotoTrbo Connect Plus is a resilient system, designed with an XRC to provide uninterrupted communications. With an IP link, wide area calls can be made. If there is a loss in IP connection to Site 70, the wide area calls for other sites are still in operation. Site 70 switches to single-site trunking for uninterrupted communications. Over-the-air programming enables administrator to remotely upgrade or configure radios without physical recall, thus saving time and costs. Administrator can conduct diagnostic check on any repeater and network traffic at a convenience from their desktop. This improves operational efficiency and better control during downtime. If all the channels are occupied, the radio users hears a busy tone when making a call. The system cues the radio and notifies the user when a channel is available. Wave 3000 is an app that enables smartphone and tablet users to communicate with radios anytime, anywhere. Wave 3000 server seamlessly bridges the telecommunication grid and radio repeaters to complete a call. MotoTrbo Connect Plus caters for very large operations such as radio trunked operators. The operator's network may span from nationwide to another country. They provide value-added voice and data services to subscribers in hospitality, security, logistics, transportation, retail, integrated resorts, and many other businesses. These subscribers enjoy seamless communications over the robust network. MotoTrbo Connect Plus system is designed for government agencies, utilities, oil and gas, and radio trunked operators. MotoTrbo Connect Plus covers up to 70 sites across large dispersed locations. Designed with controller-based trunking capabilities with dedicated control channels to ensure communication is always available. Ideal for large operations with very high traffic. MotoTrbo Connect Plus system connects very large workforce with more coverage, capacity, capabilities and control.